Electric bikes have exploded in popularity, offering eco-friendly transportation and thrilling rides. However, this advanced technology often comes with massive price tags. Fortunately, budget-friendly alternatives are changing the game. Meet the Ride1Up Turris and Lectric XP3, two affordable e-bikes challenging the notion that quality e-bikes must cost a fortune. In this video, we'll compare these budget rides, breaking down their features, performance, and overall value. Let's begin. The Turris offers a hybrid style frame with a modern, sleek aesthetic that prioritizes comfort and urban exploration. Available in both step-through and step-over configurations, the bike features a frame-integrated battery that creates a smooth, low-profile appearance. The 27.5-inch wheels and 100mm suspension fork provide a crossover-like riding experience, offering comfort and versatility for city and light trail riding. The Lectric XP3 takes a completely different approach with its foldable design, emphasizing portability and compact storage. Constructed from lightweight 6000 series aluminum, the bike features a unique folding mechanism at both the handlebar stem and main frame. Its design focuses on adaptability, with multiple mounting points. It also has an adjustable seat post and handlebar stem to accommodate various rider heights. Ride1Up Turris uses a powerful 750-watt motor capable of reaching Class 3 speeds up to 28 miles per hour. The bike offers 5 levels of pedal assistance with a cadence sensor, providing consistent power delivery that feels smooth across different riding conditions. Its Shimano Acera 7-speed drivetrain and 2.4-inch Kenda booster tyres create a versatile platform with a top-mount push-button shifter that provides reliable gear changes. Lectric XP3 counters with a 500-watt hub motor, delivering 55 Nm of torque, powered by a 20-amp controller. It features an innovative Lectric PWR pedal assist wattage regulation system that provides more intuitive power delivery. The bike comes with 20-inch into 3-inch puncture-resistant fat tyres, a 7-speed freewheel, and a Shimano derailleur. Its flexibility allows configuration as a Class 1, 2, or 3 e-bike, giving riders multiple options for their riding style. The Turris provides a comfortable, upright riding position with predictable handling that's ideal for leisurely rides and bike path exploration. Its suspension fork and knobby tyres offer excellent vibration dampening and light off-road capability. The bike averages about 22 miles on throttle-only mode, with potential for extended range through pedal assistance. The motor performs consistently, maintaining speed even on moderate inclines and providing a smooth riding experience. On the other hand, the XP3 delivers a more versatile performance with its robust motor and foldable design. It offers 2 battery options, standard and long range, providing impressive ranges of 45 to 65 miles. The bike features hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors, front oil suspension. Its motor provides quick acceleration and reliable power across various terrains. Ride1Up Turris includes practical features like fenders, a 60 lux headlight, and standard rack mounts. Its integrated display combines speed, battery status, and pedal assist information in a compact unit. The bike offers an ergonomic gel saddle and comfortable handlebar design for extended rides, with thoughtful touches that enhance overall riding comfort. The XP3 also comes packed with innovative features, including an integrated safety lighting system, IP65 rated electrical components, and a backlit LCD display. It offers a passenger-capable rear rack supporting up to 150 pounds, optional passenger packages, and tool-free 1-minute assembly. The bike also includes slime-filled puncture-resistant tyres and softer ergonomic grips. Ride1Up Turris is priced at approximately $1,295, delivering exceptional value for its comfort-focused design and versatile performance. In comparison, the Lectric XP 3.0 provides an even more budget-friendly option, typically priced around $999, making it an incredibly accessible entry point into e-bike ownership for budget-conscious riders seeking quality and functionality. Both the Ride1Up Turris and Lectric XP3 prove that budget e-bikes can deliver impressive performance. The Turris shines with its comfortable ride, powerful motor, and versatile design, ideal for those prioritizing comfort and urban exploration. The XP3 stands out with its incredible portability, lower price point, and unique folding capabilities. Your perfect match depends on your specific needs, whether you value a more traditional riding experience or require maximum flexibility and storage convenience. Ultimately, both bikes offer exceptional value, making the final choice a matter of personal preference and riding style. That's all for today. Which one wins the budget e-bike battle? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more.